Alright guys, this is Cleaning with Doug and I'm in my garage and I want to show you guys my Bissell Garage Pro vacuum cleaner. It's mounted in my garage. Try and give you a better visual. So that's the front. This is where the hose is. These are my attachments. I don't really use too many of them, but we have them. I got this, where did I get this? I think I got this at HSN for under 200. Yeah, I don't remember the price because I got it for myself for Father's Day. It was a Father's Day gift to myself. And I don't remember, but it was under 200. But you can go on HSN and find out. You might even get it cheaper than I got it. These are all the pieces that it came with, which is a lot. That's awesome. But this is the piece I generally use. I usually use this to clean out my car. So let's get to it. Oh, and before we begin, see these right here? Those come out to detach this part where you can empty it. Right here are your, see, water tank full, power light, dry tank full, blah, blah, blah. Right here is your on and off switch. Right there. Just push it in. It looks weird, I know. So this is the vacuum part, and this right here on the right side of it, can we see it? Is the blower. There we go. So you just twist it off, and I'm going to show you. And you put it there. You turn it on, and it becomes a blower. You want to see how it's connected. Oh, and by the way, this vac can detach. I don't think it has a handle, so it would be kind of annoying, but the hose is long anyway, so I guess it wouldn't be annoying. You can detach it and use it, but you know, I have a vacuum cleaner. As if you look on my channel, you'll see that. So this is mainly for my garage and like 95% to vacuum out my car. Oh yeah, and by the way, of course, this is a wet vac, but I won't be demoing that, but it can pick up water with no problem. Yeah, whatever. So right here is, you know, the default, right? Default, this is what it comes. You can't take this part off. So you can put your attachments to this part. So I'm gonna use this, I guess. Yeah. No, I don't want to use that one. I'm gonna use this one. Now the suction on this baby is awesome. You don't have to worry about that. It is definitely strong. It is, yeah. In fact, let's demo that right now. Let me turn it on. we're actually going to switch sides now and turn on the blower. So all I do is just twist this off. It's very easy to put on and take off. Very easy. Look, no problems at all. It stays on pretty secure, and as you know, the hose is crush proof and it's very long. I could probably go into the middle of my driveway with this. So, and I can go all over my garage. So definitely got a lot big hose support there. All right, so I twist it in, it's in, and now I'm gonna show you the blower. All I have to do now is just turn it on. Well, that's about wraps it up, guys. Oh, also I wanted to show you, it came with this bag, this little cloth bag to put your tools in. So I never really used it, but I do need to. I had them on the floor before. I guess it would be better if I put them in here. Yeah, that'll work. Right there. Yeah. Well, there you have it, guys. That's my quick little review of my Bissell Garage Pro. I love it. The suction power on there is awesome. I mean, I never worked at a car wash, but it has that feel to it. Like, the suction is really good. The price is really good. You can mount it on the wall. The hose is really long. You don't have to, if you run over it with your car, it won't mess up. And that's pretty much it. It's a blower, it's a wet vac. Yeah, I think I covered all the bases. But anyway, thanks for viewing. This is Cleaning with Doug. And hit like if you like it. Hit me up with any questions I didn't go over or any comments you would like to say. I'd appreciate it. Or just for looking at my video, I just want to thank you anyway. And see you on the next one.